Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Yellowgrass, Saskatchewan, a small town full of prairie charm. This community was first settled in the late 1800s as the railway opened the region to new settlers. Yellowgrass was named after the distinctive yellow prairie grasses that covered the surrounding land. In its early days, the town quickly became a hub for farmers who shipped grain and livestock by rail. Over the years, schools, churches, and businesses grew to serve the busy farming community. Agriculture has always been at the heart of life here, with a rich soil supporting crops for generations. Many historic buildings still stand as reminders of the town's proud past. Today, Yellowgrass offers a peaceful atmosphere and a strong sense of community that locals treasure. The open prairie landscape provides stunning views in every season. Whether you are visiting friends, exploring the history, or just enjoying the quiet countryside, Yellowgrass has a warm welcome waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Yellowgrass, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.